What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to program a 2017 plus Toyota Corolla remote using your Autel KM100. Make sure we have our correct FCC ID remote, and then I've got a key cut here, so I've already done a video on the key programming part. I'm just going to go ahead and do the remote, cut this later. We're going to go in our main menu, go to Immobilizer. I'm going to go down to Toyota. We'll do automatic selection and hit read the VIN. Probably have to have our ignition on for that. VIN reading failed. We'll try it again with the actual ignition on. There we go. Alright, 2017 Corolla. From here we're going to go to Control Unit, Remote System, and Remote Control Learning. Turn the ignition on, make sure your driver door is open. Press lock and unlock for 1 second, and then press lock or unlock for 1 second. Lock, unlock. Lock or unlock. We heard the car beep. Learning succeeded. So we'll make sure it works. Take our key out of the ignition. Door's open, so we'll flip it. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you program a Toyota keyed remote using your Autel KM100. Hope that helps. Thanks.